Conversion of infix expression to postfix expression. The algorithm is like this. So the higher precedence are division, modulus, plus minus. They have equal precedence. So let's see the algorithm. In the algorithm, first you have to add a right parenthesis at the end of the infix expressions you get. Okay, whatever be the infix expression you will be getting, you have to add the left parenthesis. The next you have to push the right parenthesis to the stack. In this we will be using a stack. That stack contains only operator. We will be adding only operator to the stack. So we call this as a operator stack. So second step is push a left parenthesis to the operator stack. Then you have to repeat all these steps until you evaluate the entire infix expression. First one, when you evaluate the infix expression, if the left parenthesis coming, what you have to do? You have to push that parenthesis to the stack. Okay. Suppose while you will be evaluating, you will get an operand like A, B, C, D, whatever it will be, you have to add to the postfix expression. Okay. So two things are there. The first one is stack. We will keep a stack and a postfix expression. Here you will get the output, and we are keeping one stack for handling operators. So if it is left parenthesis, push to the stack. If it is an operand, add that operand directly to the postfix expression. We are going to find out the postfix expression of infix expression. And when you get a right parenthesis, what you have to do? You have to repeatedly pop up all the elements from the stack until you see a left parenthesis. So pop up the operators and everything from the stack and add to postfix operation. So repeatedly pop up and add to postfix expression. Okay. So there may be a chance for evaluating left parenthesis, an operator, and right parenthesis. And one more thing is what is that? An operator. It's a symbol, whatever operator it can be. So while evaluating, if you will be seeing an operator, a symbol, it can be plus, minus, division, modulus, exponent, whatever it will be. While evaluating, you get a operator. What do you have to do? You have to compare that operator to the top of the stack. After comparison, depends upon the conclusion, you have to do the corresponding. You have to do the corresponding statements. So first take the evaluate the top of the stack with the corresponding operator and compare these two operators. If the evaluating operator has higher precedence, no doubt you can simply push that operator onto the stack. Okay. If evaluating operator has higher precedence, you can simply push that operator to the stack. There may be a chance that this evaluating operator has lesser precedence than the top of the stack. At that time, what you have to do? You have to pop up that operator from the top of the stack to the postfix expression. And there is one more chance. They both have same precedence. Either this evaluating operator has lesser precedence or both have same precedence. In both cases, what you have to do? You have to pop up the operator from the top of the stack and add to the postfix expression. Then the evaluating operator is pushed to the stack. and this is very important. The mistake happens always this part. Okay, next one, you do these steps repeatedly until it evaluates the entire infix operation. So repeatedly pop up from the stack until the stack is empty and exit. This is the brief idea about algorithm to convert infix expression to prefix expression. Let's see with an example so you will get a clear idea. You will get a little more clarity about it. Okay.